Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your mathematics class. In this class, you will learn about the chapter Congruence of Triangles. And today I will discuss about what do you mean by congruence of triangles. We know that a triangle is a plane figure bounded by three line segments. There are 6 elements of a triangle, that is 3 angles and 3 sides, which decide the shape and size of a triangle. Now, to check whether the given triangles are congruent or not, let us first draw two triangles with different measurements. Now, here already I have drawn triangle PQR and triangle IJK on a whiteboard. You can draw these two triangles on a white sheet of paper. After that, we trace out triangle PQR on a separate sheet of paper, say yellow paper or any other color paper you can use. And we name that triangle as triangle ABC, say. Now, we cut out triangle ABC from a yellow sheet of paper. Already I have this cutout portion. This is the cutout portions of triangle ABC. We can also say this as a trace copy of triangle PQR. Now we place this triangle ABC over triangle IJK and then over triangle PQR. Now if we place this triangle ABC over triangle IJK, here we can observe that this triangle ABC is not completely covers triangle IJK. Now if we place this triangle over triangle PQR, here we can observe that this triangle ABC is completely covers triangle PQR. That means triangle ABC cover triangle PQR exactly. Or in other words, we can say that if triangle ABC superposes on triangle PQR, then they cover each other exactly. Also, here we can observe that the triangle ABC, triangle ABC completely covers triangle PQR and the vertex falls on, and the vertex of triangle ABC, that is vertex A, falls on P, vertex B falls on Q and vertex C falls on R. So we can easily write that vertex A falls on P, vertex B falls on Q and vertex C of triangle ABC falls on R. And the side AB falls along side PQ, side BC falls along QR and side AC falls along PR. Now here already the measure of the two triangles is shown. The measure of angle P is equals to measure of angle A. So here measure of angle A, that means angle A is equal to angle P and their measure is 50 degree. Then the measure of angle B is equals to angle Q and their measure is 70 degree, and measure of angle C is equal to angle R and their measure is 60 degree. So here we can observe that if triangle ABC covers triangle PQR exactly, then their corresponding sides and angles are equal. Now, that means if triangle ABC completely covers triangle PQR, that means they have a same shape and size. Both have the same shape and size. So these two triangles have the same shape and size. So they are congruent. As we know that two plane figures, if they have the same shape and size, then they are congruent. Now since triangle ABC and triangle PQR have the same shape and size, so we can write it as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, or in short form we can write triangle ABC is congruent to, this is the symbol of congruent to, is congruent to triangle PQR. So here we use the symbol, this is the symbol of to indicate is congruent to. Now if we try to place triangle ABC on triangle PQR in such a way that vertex A falls on Q, B on R and C on P, then here we can observe that the two triangles will not fit in exactly, which shows that the order in which the letter should fall is very important. Thus, if triangle ABC superposes on triangle PQR exactly, that means if triangle ABC and triangle PQR cover each other exactly, then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, such that vertices of triangle ABC fall on the vertices of triangle PQR in the following order. Here A corresponds to P. We can also say here A is matched with P. Here A is matched with P. B is matched with Q. And C is matched with R. So here we can write A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R. So we have the following 6 equalities. Then we have the following 6 equalities, that is the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, or we can say congruent. So we can write here AB, here side AB is equal to, corresponding side will be PQ because AB is matched with PQ. So AB is equals to PQ. Then BC is equals to QR and CA is equals to RP. So this means the corresponding sides of the two congruent triangles are equal. On the other hand, their corresponding angles are also equal. So we can write here angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. So we have the corresponding sides and corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal. Thus, we can say that the order in which the vertices match automatically determines a correspondence between the sides and angles of the two triangles. So if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, if it is given, then it means vertex A corresponds to vertex P, B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R. So here A corresponds to P, B to Q and C to R. And we can also write triangle ACB is congruent to triangle, in place of A we write here P, here C means R, so we can write here R, and B means Q, so we can write it here Q. So then triangle BCA is congruent to, B means here Q, so is congruent to triangle Q, C means here R and A means P. But we cannot write triangle ABC congruent to triangle RPQ because A is not corresponds to R, B is also not corresponds to P and C is also not corresponds to Q. So we cannot write, so this we cannot write. This is the wrong statement. Now if triangle ABC, we cannot write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PRQ. This also we cannot write because A corresponds to P, B is not corresponds to R. So if any of the order is not satisfying, then we cannot write that statement as a true statements. But if the two given triangles is an equilateral triangles with the same side measurement, then we can easily write any of this correspondence, because we know in an equilateral triangles all sides are equal. If both have the same side measurement, then any of this correspondence we can easily write. So we can say that two triangles are said to be congruent if there exists a correspondence between their vertices such that the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal or congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. It means ABC, vertex ABC matched with vertex DEF respectively. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent if and only if AB is equal to D, BC is equals to EF, CA is equals to FD. So angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. Let us do one example. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, under the correspondence ABC to FED, write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangle. We know that two triangles are congruent if and only if there exists a correspondence between their vertices such that the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal or congruent. Since it is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, under the correspondence ABC to FED, it means the vertices A, B and C corresponds to the vertices F, E and D respectively. So we can write it here. A corresponds to, the vertex A corresponds to F, vertex B corresponds to E and vertex C corresponds to D. Now their corresponding sides and corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal. So the corresponding sides we can write here. AB is corresponds to which side? It will be FE. Then BC is corresponds to which side? That will be, in place of B we will write E, and in place of C we will write D. Then CA is corresponds to which side? It will be, in place of C we will write D, and in place of A we will write F. Or simply we can write that AB, this is alternative, any one we can write, or AB is equals to FE, BC is equals to ED and CA is equals to DF. Any of this we can write. Also their corresponding angles are equal. So here angle A is corresponds to angle F. Then angle B is corresponds to angle E. And angle C is corresponds to angle D. Or we can write it here. Or we can write here, in place of this, we can simply write angle A is equals to angle F, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle D. We can write either this one or this one. Any one of it we can easily write. Since the congruent parts can be denoted by the symbol this. This is also named as the corresponds to or matched with. This is the symbol of corresponds to. So here we can easily show the corresponding congruent parts of the triangles. So in this way you can try some more questions which is given in your book. I hope all of you understood about the congruence of triangles which is discussed in this video. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.